What's going on, Firefly? Nipple slip. What's going on, Fireflies? It's me, Neon Emiway, and I am here to present you with some greatness. Alright, you guys, this is it. This is the last video. This is the last video of my color spectrum series. In case you guys do not know, my color spectrum series is a series of videos in which I combine a color as well as a style of makeup to create a look and help me to get out of my comfort zone, try new things of that nature. There will be an entire playlist of all of my past color spectrum videos here, as well as in the description below, so you guys can catch up. I have lipstick on teeth, don't I? Wow, okay. But yes, today is the last video of this series. I am thrilled and a little sad. No, I'm thrilled about the fact that this series did better than I thought it would. I was very worried about it being something that I would start and then wouldn't finish along the way. And I'm glad to see that this video or this series comes to its full form. Maybe in the future I will decide to go on and add new colors like browns and golds and silvers. But for now, these are the 6 videos that I want in the color spectrum series. Also have another series that I am excited about starting next month. So that's one reason why this is ending now. But I am so thankful that you guys like this series, that you guys enjoyed it. You guys have really taken heed to the fact that this is something that I wanted to create with and something to express myself with. So I am so grateful and so thankful to each and every one of you guys who have supported me through this series and seen it to the very end. Enough of that mushy gushy stuff. The color for this video is my favorite color in the world, purple, as you can tell, and the style of makeup is based off of one of my favorite Dragon Ball Z villains, one of the most gender fluid, even though he's a boy, but one of the most iconic villains in Dragon Ball series, in the Dragon Ball series, and that would be Frieza. This is based off Frieza's final form. So a lot of purple here. As always, before this video begins, if at any point you are enjoying yourself and enjoying the content you are watching, then go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. It means a lot. Also, make sure that if you want to continue seeing me on your YouTube feed, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload videos roughly twice a week. So make sure you are notified so that you don't miss the next one. Make sure you guys are sharing this video with all your friends, family, whoever, everyone in the world that you can share this with. This was a great, like I said, this is a great playlist or a great series for me to create with, and I wanted to share this with you all. So I would really appreciate if you guys share this video and my channel as well, because we are almost at 400 subscribers and the goal is to hit 400 by my birthday in August. So if you guys can help me with that, that would be great. I appreciate it. Thank you. Also, you guys, I've mentioned this in past videos before, but there is a link in my description box below for you guys to help make my channel better, to say the least. In that link there is a Google form, and that Google form will give you a bunch of questions to fill out, asking basically what you like about my channel, what videos you like about my channel, what you don't like, what you want to see in the future, giveaways, etc., all of that. So if you guys will go ahead and fill that form out, I would greatly appreciate it. It means so much. And without further ado, with all the mumbling and rumbling and talking and this, that, and third, we'll get into the last video of my color spectrum series, purple. So let's go.
Skipping many times. don't know what we doing.